Okay, heading west out of Kingfisher, the first tornado has probably dissipated. I'm hoping for reformation. Decent-looking supercell.
To the north and slightly to the east. Okay, could your cameraman pull out, please? Pull out some, Barry. Okay, do you see any other? No, that's very large lowering all through there. Are you looking down Highway 33? Yes, we are. Okay. All right. No sign of tornado at the present time. And let's go back as we look at this. Let's look at the Doppler 9000 XL. And once again, this is a projection. There's no tornado showing up right now. Our camera's
looking west-northwest.
Garfield K.
And northwest.
Skywalk. We'll drop on down to the south.
The first tornado dissipated, caused quite a bit of damage. New wall cloud has developed now, however, to my west-northwest.
This storm most likely has a tornado with it. And we're doing a tornado warning in the Grant County area, where we just talked about. Looks like it's just south. It's just south of the Wakita area. And it looks like it's moving to the...
okay, I'm at Kingfisher Creek.
In Grant County, we'd say it looks like it's about 35, and it's about 6 miles south of Wakita. So that's the one in northern Oklahoma. So do anything over there on that microwave? So this is the Wakita area, so the possible tornado this storm.
Near Omega, Oklahoma, near the bend in the road here. Okay. Looking east-northeast at a slowly rotating wall cloud that may very well produce another tornado. Unfortunately, I'm now behind it. There's perhaps the developing RFD. I can see some strong downward motion here, just to my northwest. There's a little fire over there. I think that's maybe a lightning-induced fire. I'm not certain. I'm in light northwest winds. Yeah, decent rotation. Most likely it's going to develop again. I better get back on the road and head back to the east. Okay, north winds just shifted. I see slow rotation. Next view may be of a tornado. Okay, we have a tornado to the northwest, or I'm sorry, to the northeast. Okay, back at Kingfisher Creek again.
If it lives up on Dover, it looks like it's 644 Dover. Crescent, turn more to the right, here 725.
At the exit to the Lake Elmer fishing area, the tornado is off to my north-northeast now.
Car 21. Take a look at the little radar right there. There's a large rotating cover going down. What's going around ground?
That's still on the ground, Gary.
Okay, just talk us through it.
Well, the debris cloud looks like it has gotten a little bit bigger right now. The cone's still about the same size. It's definitely tearing something up right now.
I'm heading eastbound towards Kingfisher.
Line across the ground.
This looks like a tornado produced by this storm.
Probably a mile south.
It's going to due north now.
Now it's starting to be a little bit rainy right around it.
Okay, we're going to move about east-northeast about 35 miles an hour.
Time is 6:38.
Yes,
good debris.
Probably about a quarter of a mile.
I kind of screwed up getting behind it. Not very smart.
RFD wraparound here in the rain.
Particularly for fast-moving storms.
Picking up trees and stuff right now. It did not pass through any construction. It don't look like right now. Yeah, but we're still getting lots of debris flying up from it.
Okay. Now we're going to take a look at some other XL images. Okay. And there's projection on this storm, and it's in the Dover area, maybe very close to Dover, moving east-northeast about 35 miles per hour. That's what Val's been telling you about. So this is Dover, it's in your area. Lavelle, Lovell, 712, Crescent, east, or southeast, it might be Crescent. Mohall at 738, and Orlando 743. And Val, you have anything new?
Still on the ground, Jerry. Well, I'm going to put it very near the highway. Might have just crossed over the highway.
Okay. We're looking at two other circulations, also one southwest of Perry. And this could be in your area very short. It's approaching very soon. Taking tornado precautions. And also, how wide the dam get now?
Dam path looks like to me it's about, maybe 150 yards or so.
Okay. We're looking also at large circulation at the Orlando, just east of Mulhall. If it turns northeast, northeast, and move towards Stillwater. Otherwise, we move up into the Morrison area. Then we're going to look south. We have tornado warnings on this storm down here around Surreal, moving towards Norge and Nennecaw. The tornado warnings in there with this storm, indicating tornado. Okay. And this tornado warning continues just east of Surreal, down toward Norge and Nennecaw, moving on this just also to the east-northeast. And Payne County tornado warning, that's one that's officially now the tornado warning, the one we were just telling you about. We'll go to it. This one right here.
Getting wrapped in rain now.
Okay. And that's
my
on the
northeast.
storm right here. Just to the southwest, let's call it the southeast of Orlando and northeast of Mulhall. Large circulation. It's about 15 miles west of Stillwater, moving east-northeast at about 35. So we'll take a look at this storm and go in here. Let me know if you get some video on this thing or other audio. And here's the storm moving east-northeast at about 35. Let's see, that's 35 miles an hour. If it turns any more to the east, it definitely puts you folks to still.